everyone, and welcome to the Clear Cut Classroom, where we take deep dives into all things diamonds and jewelry. Today, I'm super excited to announce our new lab-grown travel ring program. Our lab-grown travel ring is the ultimate gift with purchase. We now offer a standardized solitaire travel ring featuring a free 2-carat round brilliant lab-grown diamond with all natural diamond engagement ring purchases over $20,000. Here at The Clear Cut, we are this generation's jeweler for life, and we are dedicated to creating modern heirlooms that last a lifetime using only natural, untreated, and GIA certified diamonds. We understand the importance of investing in jewelry that has inherent value, which is why we do not sell lab-grown diamonds. In the past, many of our Clear Cut clients have requested travel rings so they didn't have to wear their engagement ring to the beach or when they were going abroad, and we used to make them with cubic zirconia. Given the devaluation of lab-grown diamonds, we are taking this opportunity to now offer our travel rings with a 2-carat lab-grown diamond rather than cubic zirconia. We are offering this standardized lab-grown travel ring as a complement to our natural diamond engagement rings, so all of our clients can invest confidently and travel safely. Let me know if you have any questions about our new lab-grown travel ring program. We're so excited to introduce this, and class is dismissed.